Hello everyone, my name is Lijio Matthew. My partner Sid and I are here with an idea that will change the future of aviation and drones. Advanced analytics and AI has a solution that can accurately forecast the solar power for drones. Though solar energy is available abundantly and solar drones exist, accurate solar forecasting is a challenging task because solar energy is uncertain and uncontrollable. So one of the main problems with solar drones is not able to predict how far or how long it can fly with solar. The secondary problem is the current fuel consumption model. It relies heavily on the use of non-renewable energy sources such as oil and gas. At the current rate of consumption, oil will be the first fossil fuel to run out. According to projections, there would be between 40 and 60 years of reserves of conventional oil. And lastly, CO2 is the largest component of aircraft emission, and global aviation is one of the major contributors of greenhouse gases. The situation is going to be worse in future because by 2050 the aviation emission could triple given the projected growth. So we have a ML based solution that forecasts how long and how far a solar drone can fly accurately. With this, we can fly fuel free and change how the world flies. This will be one step towards the future of aviation. This is cheap, efficient, safe, and a green solution. Little more details on the solution. The core features include forecasting using advanced neural models such as Prophet, CNN, and ANN. These models would be trained on solar, wind, and weather data. The output of this model is easy to integrate, and we plan to expose the results as API, and it is a highly scalable solution. The final output from the model would be an accurate short-term forecasting of solar energy, and the applications of the model are limitless. We can expand the solution to IoT devices, surveillances, and so on. And finally, the solution helps in reducing carbon footprint, and it's a clean technology. What we are asking is a 100K investment for the ML model and solution. We also ask for one of the Equinox solar drones to test the solution and integrate the model. And we are anticipating 3 months to build and release the solution to market. Next, my partner Sid is going to pitch the solution to CIO in coming days to get his approval as well. Thank you.